as John Bracewell starts a new over to Imran Khan. It's short, it's cut away down towards the third man fence. A big chase on here for Richard Hadley, but I think the ball's going to win this race pretty comfortably. It's 4 runs to Imran. That takes him into double figures. He's 11.
Here we go. That's a good-looking shot from Imran away through the covers for 4 off the back foot. Give himself a bit of room.
Here's Danny Morrison now, bowling to Imran Khan. That's wide again, and Imran's taken up the attack and hit that nicely to the cover boundary before. That really was a slashing shot. The captain seems to be moving into his stride with those over-toss deliveries outside the off stump there. So Imran Khan's really going for it now. No third man in, and that's off to the fence again. So Imran Khan with his third boundary. Morrison round the wicket, digs it in short, and Imran's hammered him again. And that's 4 more.
So Pakistan are 387 for the loss of 4. Richard Hadley, third over with the new ball to Imran Khan. Singles called for. Patel has quickly through, and they took on one of New Zealand.